പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം പോയിടാം.
The reading from the Holy Bible, Joshua chapter 19. The second lot came out for Simon, for the tribe of Simon, according to its families. Its inheritance lay within the inheritance of the tribe of Judah. It had for its inheritance Beersheba, Sheba, Molada, Hazar-Shul, Bala, Azim, Eltolad, Bethel, Hormah, Ziklag, Beth-Markaboth, Hazar-Susha, Beth-Lebaoth, and Sharuhin. 13 towns with their villages, Ain, Rimmon, Ether, and Ashin. 4 towns with their villages together with all the villages all around these towns as far as Beltaber, Ramah of Negev. This was the inheritance of the tribe of Simon according to its families. The inheritance of the tribe of Simon formed parts of territory of Judah, because this portion of tribe of Judah was too large for them. The tribe of Simon obtained the inheritance within the inheritance. The third lot came up for the tribe of Zebulun according to its families. The boundary of its inheritance reached as far as Sarid. Then its boundary goes up westward and on Marala and touches Dabesheth, then the valley that is east of Joachim. From Sarid it goes in the other direction eastwards towards sunrise to the boundary of Cheslothabor. From there it goes to Dabereth, then up to Japhia. From there it passes along the east towards the sunrise to Gathepher, to Etkazin, and going on to Rimmon, it bends towards Nea. Then on the north the boundary makes the turn of Hanaton, and it ends at the valley of Iftail and Katat, Nahal, Shiron, Idala, and Bethlehem, 12 towns with their villages. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Zebulun according to the families, these towns with their villages. The fourth lot came out for Issachar, for the tribe of Issachar according to its families. Its territory included Jezreel, Chesulloth, Shunem, Hapharaim, Shion, Enaharat, Ribith, Kishion, Ebez, Remeth, Egnanim, Edhadath, Bethpazes. The boundary also touches Tabor, Shahazumah, and Bethshemesh, and its boundaries ends at Jordah, 16 towns with their villages. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Issachar according to its families, the towns with their villages. The sixth lot came out for the tribe of Naphtali, according to its families, and its boundary ran from Hiliph, from Oak in Zananim, and Adam in Nekeb, and Jabneel as far as Lukum, and it ended at Jordan. Then the boundary turns westwards to Aznotabor, and goes from there to Hukkok, touching Zebulun at south, and Asher on west, and Judah on the east of Jordan. The fortified towns are Ziddim, Zir, Hamath, Rakat, Chinareth, Admah, Ramah, Hazor, Kedesh, Edria, En-Hazor, Iron, Magdiel, Horim, Bedanath, and Bethshemesh, 19 towns with their villages. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Naphtali according to its families, the towns with their villages. The fifth lot came out for the tribe of Asher according to its families. Its boundary included Helkat, Hali, Dayton, Ekshaf, Allah Melech, Amit, and Mishal. On the west it touches Carmel and Shihol Libnath. Then it turns eastwards, goes to Bedagon, and touches Zebulon and the valley of Iftail, northwards to Beth-Emek and Neal. Then it continues in the north of Kabul, Hebron, Rehob, Hamom, Kana, as far as Great Sidon. Then the boundary turns to Rima, reaching to the fortified city of Tyre. Then the boundary turns to Hosa and ends at the sea, Mahala, Akzib, Umma, Afek, and Rehob, 22 towns with their villages. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Asher according to the families. These towns with their villages. The seventh lot came out for the tribe of Dan according to its families. The territory of its inheritance included Zorah, Istaol, Irshemesh, Shablabin, Ajalon, Itla, Elon, Timnah, Ekron, Eltake, Gabeton, Balad, Jehud, Benet Barak, Gatrimon, Majorkon, and Rakon at the border opposite of Joppa. When the territory of the Danites was lost to them, the Danites went up and fought against Leshem, and after capturing it and putting it to sword, they took possession of it and settled in it, calling Leshem Dan after their ancestor Dan. This is the inheritance of the tribe of Dan according to their families, these towns with their villages. When they finished distributing the several territories of the land of inheritances, the Israelites gave an inheritance among them to Joshua son of Nun. By command of the Lord, they gave him the town that he asked for, Timnath Serah, in the hill country of Ephraim. He rebuilt the town and settled in it. These are the inheritances that the priest Eleazar and Joshua son of Nun and the heads of families of tribes of Israelites distributed by lot at Shiloh before the Lord at the entrance of the tent of meeting. So they finished dividing the land.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി പോയിടാം നാമേ